welcome to my channel. So today I want to make a video assignment about reading comprehension by text. But before it all, I want to explain a little what I'll discuss in this video. Okay. So in this article contain 4 types of sentence structure. First is simple sentence, the second is compound sentence, third is complex sentence, and the last one is compound complex sentence. So I want to explain it one by one. Okay, let's go. Okay, the first one is simple sentence. What is the simple sentence? The simple sentence is the sentence has only one clause, one subject plus one verb, and doesn't use connecting words. So it's a simple sentence. And for the second is compound sentence. What is the compound sentence? The compound sentence is these two sentences combine two main ideas, so they are compound sentence. And compound sentence using 7 special connector like for, and, not, but, or, and yet. And the third is complex sentence. What is complex sentence? The complex sentence consists of one main clause and one additional clause. This is like independent clause and dependent clause. And in complex sentence have subordinating conjunction. That is because, although, when, after, before, that, which, and while. And the last one is compound complex sentence. What is the compound complex sentence? That is contains 2 or more independent clause and at least one dependent clause. So yeah, let's go to the article. So the question is, read aloud the article, claim production. After you read the article, mention types of sentence structure which you find in the article mentioned. Number 1 is type of sentence structure, and the second is mention the connecting word used in the sentence. Example like in this article, there are 2 compound sentences which are blah 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 and blah blah blah. The connecting word used are blah 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 and other. So let's read the article. Clean production. Clean production in chemical engineering focus on reducing waste and minimizing environmental impact throughout the entire manufacturing process. Rather than dealing with pollution after it has occurred, this approach emphasizes preventing pollution at its source by optimizing the use of raw materials, improving process efficiency, and adopting several chemical pathways. This proactive strategy supports global sustainability goals and is increasingly encouraged by regulations that promote the use of environmentally friendly technologies in industry. A key element of clean production is the development and implementation of greener reaction routes and catalysts. Chemical engineers design processes that rely on renewable feedstocks, operate under milder conditions, and produce fewer hazardous byproducts. Innovations such as biocatalysis, solvent-free reactions, and advanced oxidation processes have played an important role in reducing emission and increasing energy efficiency. These technologies not only lower operational costs but also improve safety in chemical plants by decreasing the need to handle toxic substances. Clean production also makes use of process intensification and digitalization to further improve sustainability. Technologies such as microreactor system, membrane, and integration separation unit help reduce equipment size, energy consumption, and material waste. At the same time, digital tools including process simulation, real-time monitoring, and artificial intelligence enable engineers to optimize operations more accurately, identify inefficiencies, and predict potential environmental impact before they occur. Together, these advancements support the transformation of the chemical industry toward more resource efficient and low emissions manufacturing systems. Okay, let's see the sentence structure in paragraph number 1. At clean production in chemical engineering focus on reducing waste and minimizing environmental impact throughout the entire manufacturing process. That was a simple sentence. The reason is because have one main clause and no additional clause. And the second is rather than dealing with pollution after it has occurred, this approach emphasizes preventing pollution at its source by optimizing the use of raw materials. improving process efficiency, and adopting several chemical pathways. That was complex sentence. Why? Because there have additional clause after it has occurred. And the last one is, this proactive strategy support global sustainability goals and is increasingly encouraged by a regulation that promote the use of environmentally friendly technologies in industry. That was complex sentence. The reason is because there have clause relative that promote. Okay, next to paragraph number 2. The paragraph number 2 is, a key element of green production is the development and implementation of greener reaction route and catalyst. That was simple sentence. And the second is, chemical engineers design processes that rely on renewable feedstock, operate under milder condition, and produce fewer hazardous byproducts. That was complex sentence. The reason is because have clause, relative clause that rely. And next is innovation such as biocatalysis, solvent-free reaction. Paragraph number 2. A key element of green production is the development and implementation of greener reaction route and catalyst. That was simple sentence. And next, chemical engineers design processes that rely on renewable feedstock, operate under milder conditions, and produce fewer hazardous byproducts. That was complex sentence. The reason is because there have relative clause that rely. And next, innovations such as biocatalysis, solvent-free reaction, and advanced oxidation processes have played an important role in reducing emission and increasing energy efficiency. That was simple sentence. And the last one is, these technologies not only lower operational costs but also improve safety in chemical plants by decreasing the need to handle toxic substance. That was compound sentence. The reason is because there have connection not only blah 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 and but also. Okay, the last paragraph, paragraph number 3 is, clean production also make use of process intensification and digitalization to further improve sustainability. That was simple sentence. And next, technologies such as microreactor system, membrane, and integrated reaction separation unit help reduce equipment size, energy consumption, and material waste. That was simple sentence. And next, at the same time, digital tools including process simulation, real-time monitoring, and artificial intelligence enable engineers to optimize operations more accurately, identify inefficiencies, and predict potential environmental impact before they occur. That was compound complex sentence. Why? Because they have some main clause plus additional clause before they occur. And yeah, the next one is, together these advancements support the transformation of the chemical industry toward more resource efficient and low emission manufacturing system. That was simple sentence. Okay, the conclusion is, in the article clean production, there are simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, and compound complex sentence. The text mainly use complex and compound complex sentence to explain ideas in a detailed and formal way. And yeah guys, finally that's all about sentence structure. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.